Hello students, welcome back in art and craft class. Today you observe the black and white shading effect with poster color and watercolor. See page number 42. Here one rabbit, horse and goat is given, and in these figures poster color is used, black poster color, and with the help of black poster color shading is done. You also follow the same. See next page. In this page, some outlines are given, but these are half incomplete. So you complete this outline first of all, then use here black poster color and complete these pictures. Okay, so that's it, children. Take care. Goodbye.